To know what you know and to know what you do not know, that is true knowledge. Introduction to Confucius and his works. Confucius, 551 to 479 BC, was a great Chinese philosopher and educator who founded Confucianism. He was born into an impoverished noble family in the state of Lu, now Shandong Province, China. From a young age, Confucius showed a love for learning and a keen interest in social issues. Throughout his life, Confucius traveled across various Chinese states to teach and spread his ideas. He believed that learning not only made individuals wiser but also improved society. Confucius's ideas are recorded in works such as the Analects, The Great Learning, and The Doctrine of the Mean. He is known for his views on ethics, education, and knowledge. Confucius believed that learning was not just about acquiring knowledge but also about cultivating morality and self-improvement. His thoughts have profoundly influenced many generations of scholars and continue to be valuable today. Introduction to the quote, "To know what you know and to know what you do not know, that is true knowledge." The quote, "To know what you know and to know what you do not know, that is true knowledge," from Confucius can be translated as, "To know what you know and to know what you do not know, that is true knowledge." This is one of Confucius's famous sayings, reflecting his philosophy on self-awareness and humility in knowledge. This saying not only represents Confucius's views on knowledge but also serves as advice on how to live and behave in life. Confucius emphasized the importance of accurately recognizing what one knows and does not know, considering it a manifestation of true understanding. This saying encourages individuals to acknowledge their limitations and not pretend to know what they do not. Humility and honesty in knowledge were values that Confucius valued and promoted. Analysis of each part of the saying, "To know what you know and to know what you do not know," in Confucian philosophy, means understanding or awareness. For Confucius, is not merely about having knowledge but also about clearly understanding and applying that knowledge in life. Confucius believed that knowledge encompassed not only understanding things but also accurately recognizing oneself and the world around. Tri Chi 6 Tri Chi means to know what one knows. This emphasizes the importance of correctly recognizing what one has learned. Confucius thought that only when people have a clear and accurate understanding of their knowledge can they use it effectively and appropriately. This concept also highlights the importance of confidence in knowledge. When a person knows what they know well, they can confidently apply that knowledge in practice and make accurate decisions. This confidence is not arrogance but a result of clearly and accurately recognizing one's knowledge. Confucius emphasized the importance of correct self-awareness because he believed it was the foundation for developing knowledge and morality. If a person does not clearly know what they know, they can easily be misguided and make mistakes. Conversely, when a person clearly and accurately recognizes their knowledge, they can learn and develop more effectively. Confucius also believed that accurate self-awareness is the basis of humility. When a person accurately recognizes what they know, they will not be arrogant or conceited but will always maintain a spirit of learning and progress. This humility not only helps them learn more but also helps them build good relationships with others. That is true knowledge, means not knowing is acknowledging not knowing. This emphasizes the importance of admitting one's ignorance. Confucius believed that admitting not knowing is not a sign of weakness but a manifestation of humility and honesty in knowledge. The concept of emphasizes the importance of humility in knowledge. When a person admits they do not know, they open up opportunities to learn and develop. This humility helps them recognize their limitations and seek new knowledge to supplement and improve. Confucius believed that a truly knowledgeable person is one who always recognizes what they do not know and continually strives to learn and develop. Humility and honesty in knowledge not only make individuals wiser but also help them build good relationships with others, creating a positive learning environment and encouraging comprehensive development. Confucius valued the acknowledgement of ignorance because he believed it was the first step toward achieving true understanding. If a person does not admit they do not know, they will have no motivation to learn and develop. Conversely, when a person admits their ignorance, they will have a spirit of learning and progress, thereby gaining deeper knowledge and understanding. Confucius also believed that admitting ignorance is a manifestation of humility and honesty in knowledge. This humility not only helps individuals learn more but also helps them build good relationships with others, creating a positive learning environment and encouraging comprehensive development. That is true knowledge means that is true knowledge. Confucius believed that true understanding is not just about having knowledge but also about accurately and honestly recognizing what one knows and does not know. When a person knows what they know and acknowledges what they do not know, they can achieve true understanding. Confucius's philosophy of life values self-awareness, humility, and honesty in knowledge. He believed that only when individuals accurately and honestly recognize their knowledge can they develop and improve themselves. These values not only make individuals wiser but also help them build good relationships with others, create a positive learning environment, and encourage comprehensive development. The importance of self-awareness and humility in Confucian philosophy. Confucius's philosophy of knowledge. In Confucian philosophy, knowledge is not just about understanding things but also about accurately recognizing oneself and the world around. Confucius believed that knowledge must go hand in hand with morality and action. He believed that learning and moral cultivation are inseparable processes, and the goal of learning is to become a better person who can contribute to society. Confucius also emphasized the importance of accurate self-awareness and humility in knowledge. He believed that only when individuals accurately recognize their knowledge can they learn and develop effectively. Humility in knowledge not only helps individuals learn more but also helps them build good relationships with others, creating a positive learning environment and encouraging comprehensive development. The role of self-awareness and humility in learning and personal development. Self-awareness and humility in knowledge play an important role in learning and personal development. When a person accurately recognizes what they know and do not know, they will have a spirit of learning and progress, thereby gaining deeper knowledge and understanding. Humility in knowledge helps individuals recognize their limitations and seek new knowledge to supplement and improve. Confucius believed that self-awareness and humility not only make individuals wiser but also help them build good relationships with others. When individuals are humble and honest in knowledge, they can easily learn from others and create a positive learning environment, encouraging the comprehensive development of the whole community. Comparison with Western philosophies of knowledge. Socrates, Plato. Confucius's philosophy of knowledge has many similarities and differences compared to the philosophies of Western philosophers like Socrates and Plato. Both Confucius and Socrates emphasized the importance of self-awareness and humility in knowledge. Socrates once said, "I know that I know nothing," which is similar to Confucius's view on acknowledging one's ignorance. However, while Socrates focused on intellectual development through questioning and discussion, Confucius emphasized moral cultivation and character development. Plato, a student of Socrates, also had views on knowledge similar to Confucius. He believed that knowledge is not only about understanding things but also about recognizing oneself and the world around. Comparison with other East Asian philosophies of knowledge. Laozi, Buddhism. Confucius's philosophy of knowledge also has many similarities and differences compared to other East Asian philosophies of knowledge, such as those of Laozi and Buddhism. Laozi, the founder of Taoism, emphasized the importance of living in harmony with nature and following the Tao. He believed that knowledge should not focus too much on intellect but rather on understanding and living according to the Tao. Buddhism, with its emphasis on compassion and wisdom, also values the importance of self-awareness and humility in knowledge. However, Buddhism emphasizes more on liberation from suffering and achieving enlightenment through understanding the nature of life and practicing moral disciplines. Confucius, on the other hand, focused on building an ideal society based on ethics and knowledge. He believed that each person has the responsibility to learn and cultivate themselves to become useful individuals for society. Applying the saying in the modern context, the value of self-awareness and humility in the modern world. In the modern world, self-awareness and humility in knowledge have become more important than ever. With the rapid development of science and technology, the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in life and work are constantly changing. Therefore, maintaining a spirit of accurate self-awareness and humility in knowledge is extremely necessary. Accurate self-awareness helps individuals recognize what they know and do not know, allowing them to focus on learning and developing necessary skills. Humility in knowledge helps individuals always maintain a spirit of learning and progress, not being complacent with what they already know but continually striving to learn more. Practical examples from modern life and work. In modern life and work, there are many examples of the importance of self-awareness and humility in knowledge. For example, in the workplace, individuals with a spirit of self-awareness and humility often find it easier to learn and develop. They are willing to listen to others' opinions and continually strive to enhance their skills and knowledge. In everyday life, individuals who are humble and accurately self-aware often find it easier to build good relationships with others. They are willing to learn from others and always maintain a spirit of progress, thereby achieving comprehensive development in both knowledge and character. Knowledge and personal development in the 21st century. In the 21st century, learning and personal development present significant challenges and opportunities. The rapid advancement of technology has opened new doors for learning, allowing people to access knowledge from around the world and develop new skills quickly. However, it also means that individuals need to be more adaptable and continuously update their knowledge and skills to keep up with changes. Therefore, maintaining a spirit of self-awareness and humility in knowledge is more important than ever. Accurate self-awareness and humility help individuals recognize what they know and do not know, allowing them to focus on learning and developing necessary skills. In the modern world, lifelong learning has become a necessity. Knowledge and skills are no longer fixed but are constantly evolving. Therefore, maintaining a spirit of self-awareness and humility in knowledge helps individuals continually learn and develop, keeping pace with changes and achieving comprehensive development in both knowledge and character. The modern world also emphasizes the importance of interdisciplinary and diverse knowledge. Therefore, maintaining a spirit of self-awareness and humility in knowledge helps individuals not only focus on their specific fields but also expand their knowledge in other areas, thereby achieving comprehensive and balanced development. Conclusion. Confucius's saying, "Try cheat 6 try chi, bat try 6 bat try, t try da," reflects his profound philosophy on self-awareness and humility in knowledge. This saying not only represents Confucius's views on knowledge but also serves as advice on how to live and behave in life. In the modern world, self-awareness and humility in knowledge have become more important than ever. Accurate self-awareness and humility help individuals recognize what they know and do not know, allowing them to focus on learning and developing necessary skills. This helps them succeed in life and work, achieving comprehensive development in both knowledge and character. Therefore, Confucius is saying, "To know what you know and to know what you do not know, that is true knowledge," continues to have significant value in the modern world, reminding us of the importance of self-awareness and humility in knowledge.